Hey, what's up? It's been a while. Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I want to talk a little bit about why I haven't been super active here on the channel. I haven't been posting as many videos as I used to. And then I just want to talk about the future of the channel, my ideas for content that I want to post on this channel moving forward. And really quick, check this out. It's crazy in here right now because I have a client coming in about an hour, gonna premiere their film on the big screen, aka my white backdrop. I just got a projector. I think that's gonna make a pretty good impression on the client and should just be really fun. But anyways, so why have I not been active on this channel? Well, it all sort of boils down to one thing, and that's I've just been super busy. Super busy with client work, a lot of client work, a lot of editing, a lot of filming, and then also just super busy kind of figuring out like what my next moves are, what my next year looks like, my next 3 years, my next 5 years. And also, not gonna lie, I just got a little bit burned out like talking about camera gear all the time. Don't get me wrong, I really do enjoy talking about camera gear and recommending what camera you should use and what drone you should use. Don't get me wrong there. But I just feel like, at least right now, I'm kind of in a season of life where I want to do a little bit more than that. And you know, being super busy working in my video business has made me realize even more that it's really not the gear you're shooting with that makes the impact on the quality of your videos and makes an impact on being able to do something you love like video or photography for a living. And that's really what I've been focusing more on lately, is spending time helping people with their video business and booking more clients and the business side of everything so that they can actually make a good living doing what they love versus just kind of talking about the newest tech, the newest gear. At least for the immediate future of this channel, like the next few months, maybe even the next year or so, I want to focus more on teaching you guys about the business side of video production and photography and giving you more of a behind the scenes look at how I run my business. What I've realized is there's no shortage of incredibly talented creators out there, yet I see so many of them struggling to make a living or having to work some bad, unfulfilling side hustle to pay the bills because they just can't figure out how to get more clients or clients that pay them more. And for me, investing in myself, investing in education, for example, has gotten me so much farther than investing in more camera gear. And you might be bummed, and this might not really apply to you so much if you're just interested in, taking some cool photos or making some cool videos or just flying your drone as a hobbyist. And to you, I apologize. There will be more gear-focused reviews and tutorials coming. I'm just saying there's gonna be a little bit less of that and a little bit more business tips, business education, and helping those who actually wanna make this thing a full-time, full-blown career. And if that's you, then you're in luck. And the main reason why I wanted to come on here today and make this video is to tell you about my free business training that's about an hour long. It's essentially a webinar. It's gonna teach you how to just start crushing it on the business side of your video production company or your photography company. It applies to either one. It's gonna show you 3 myths a lot of creators believe that are holding them back from essentially getting where they want to go. And it's gonna break down an entire framework, the one that I've built and I've used to be able to have my own office like this, coming into it and being able to do what I love every single day for a living. And I'm getting a little flustered because it's hard to believe that this is reality, and that is what this free training is gonna teach you. And before we get going here, before I wrap this up, I just wanna say quickly that the one competitive advantage, the one thing that nobody can take from you, the one thing your competitors can't outbid you on a project, are what's up here, your skills, your knowledge. It's not your camera gear. Everyone can go buy more camera gear. It's not your computer setup or your desk setup or whatever. It's none of that. It's what's up here. And I've been thinking a lot about this, and I think it's why I'm so excited to come back on this channel and start talking more about the things that not enough creators talk about. Sales, marketing, positioning. I'm just fired up to be back on YouTube and sort of pivot the focus of this channel for now, at least, not forever, but for now, to hopefully, and I think, have a much larger impact. So that's what I got for you guys today. Whoa, we got a little close there. If you're still here watching, I just want you to know I appreciate you, that you're still sticking around and watching this channel. I'm excited for the future of this channel. And if you're a creator that wants to eventually go full-time, you're struggling to charge decent money for your work, money that you know your work is worth, then definitely sign up for this training. The link's gonna be right down below. It's free, it's about an hour long, and I really did make it as value-packed as possible. I talked about some things that I've never put out content about before because I've kind of held them back thinking they're my competitive advantage, but I've realized they're gonna do much better and have more impact if I share them with you. So that's what I did. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, subscribe, comment if you have questions, and I'm looking forward to the future. Peace.